Hello, Mr. Josh here. In this video I'll show you the basic idea of using at, on, in as a preposition of time. Before that, would you like to win 5 hours of Skype lessons with me? Simply subscribe and leave a comment for this video to be entered into the draw. Details are in the description below. Now, back to the video. We use at for the time of day. At 3 o'clock, at lunchtime, at sunset. We also use it for these common expressions: at Christmas, at the moment, at the weekend. On is used for days and dates. On Friday, on the 4th of July, on my birthday. In is used for longer periods of time. In the morning, afternoon, evening. In December. In 2019. In the past or future. But we do not use at, on, in before the words last, next, this, every. My friend got married last April. Not, my friend got married in last April. I will see you next Friday. Not, I will see you on next Friday. Can we meet this evening? Not, can we meet in this evening? It rains every summer in England. Not, it rains in every summer in England. If you enjoyed this video, you should try one of these.